By using this employee data only, how to identify highest salary employees for each department. So for that, what we did, first we went ahead with joiner, and then first we have calculated highest
The
salary
maximum salary.
and then we joined it with employee table to get the data, right?
Yes.
Now, how will you do this by using a rank? I'll tell you. Simple process. Just put a rank here. Okay. So automatically rank index came.
Yes.
So what you have to do is here now let's remove this because we don't have all the columns, right? So let's add sequence CSQ transformation. Okay, employee 24. Now you are getting all the columns here. This is how you got it, right? Because we removed not required columns, right?
Yeah.
Now let's pull all of these columns from here also. Again, what you need? Only you need employee first name, middle name, last name, and then department
name, salary.
Right? So now apply it. Okay. Now just pull these columns here. We are not doing anything. Simple process. Okay. Now we got it. So what you have to do here? Go to rank transformation. Go to ports. You have everything. Okay. You have to group by which one? For each department you want, right? For each department you want highest salary. Who earned the highest salary, right? So your rank should be salary. Your rank should be salary because you want highest salary one. So what rank will do is it will group this data. Okay, it will group the data based on department. So if you go here, it will group this data based on department. If you apply rank, okay. Now what rank will do is it will give ranking to your record.
Department.
Records you have. Records you have, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What rank will do? It will give ranking based on what it has to give the ranking. That's what you have to mention in the rank column. Okay. So you want ranking based on first name, or you want ranking based on last name or salary. Here we want rank based on salary. And who is earning highest salary, that should come as 1. And who is earning next salary will go it as 2. And then 13,000 will come as 3. And then it will come as 4. It will come as 5. Like this it will come. Okay.
Yeah.
So rank, you have to do it on the salary one. Okay. Go to properties. If you do top, what it will do, whether it will do ascending or descending, we can see. So you will understand it. Salary ascending or salary descending? It is salary descending, right? Because highest salary you are
highest
getting
is on the top.
So
yeah,
if you salary ascending, what will happen? It will come as 1, and then it will come as 2, then it will come as 3, and then 4, then 5. Right?
Yeah.
Now here it will give number of ranks. How many ranks you want to give? Only 1 or 2 or 3. Okay. So here, if you give only 1, so what it will do is it will fetch only this record or this record based on how you are ranking it. Clear?
Yeah.
So now we are doing only 1. Okay. Then apply it. Then do this. Now what you have to do? You have to join all of this to this table. Okay. Now you don't have these 2 columns, right? Because you are not joining with the department and everything. You are not getting it. Let's try to arrange all iconic. Then Control S. Go to workflow. Create the session for this transformation, for this mapping. Where you have rank, right? Now here, what you have to do? You have to come here. Employee, department. So let me do one thing. Okay, let me do one thing. Let's look for, okay, this underscore rank. Let me do. Okay, another table underscore rank. So what you have to do here? This table name you have to give it here. Target table. All right. Target table name we have changed, right?
Yes.
Target table name we have changed. Apply. Okay. Now I'm not doing anything. I'm not creating underlying table, right? Intermediate table I'm not creating. So I'm just running it. What is happening here? it is succeeded. Okay, it is succeeded. Now you can see 16 records came.
Yes.
Go to Argil and then see. Okay, this is the table, right? You are getting. You got this data for each department. Highest salary you got for document control, for engineering, and for executive. This is the highest salary, right? Got it?
Yeah.
So same way you did in the same way, right? So here, if you come to this one for human resources, what is the highest salary? 19,500, right?
Yes.
So for human services, we go to human services. 19,500 you got.
Yes,
Then you
sir.
got Grant Culberton. Right?
Albertson.
So now if you go here, what is that human resources rate? Control F. Okay. Control F. Human array. Sorry. This is highlighted. Okay. Human resources. Human resources. 19,500 is the highest one. Grant Culbertson, right? That's what you got it here.
Yes.
So this is the simplest way. Top is nothing but what it is doing. Top means it is giving. Is ranking the
Descending
data.
order.
Descending order. Okay. Top is descending order. Now, if you give bottom, what it will do?
Descending order. The least value on top.
Least value it will give. So let's go and check. Okay. Let's refresh the mapping. Now we changed it to bottom. Bottom right here. You see here.
Yes.
We changed it to properties bottom. Right. Clear?
Yeah.
Now save date and then running it. Okay. Running it. Now it is very simple, right? Instead of using all that logic, what you did, it is succeeded now. You just use the rank transformation, right?
Yes.
You just used rank transformation. So here, we'll see here. Then let's order by department name. So that employee department name, sorry, employee department name. Now see here, for the document control, for the first load, you got this one. For the second load, what you got? 5,600.
Yes.
In the same way, this is the highest salary. This is the lowest salary.
Lowest.
This is the highest. This is the lowest.
So we are getting both the values.
Because you changed it to bottom, right?
Yes.
You ran this session 2 times. This is first session. This is the second, right?
Yes.
If you are running this, what is the property that you have? Top.
Top.
This, when you are running
Bottom.
this, you have bottom. So when you are running top, what it is doing? It is giving highest salary.
Highest value.
That means it is doing salary descending. And when you are
Yes.
making it bottom, okay, this is bottom. When you are doing bottom, what it is doing? Salary ascending. And then it is giving this lowest salary. If you go to your Excel, this is what it is doing, right? So
Yes.
where is that ranking? Where did I give that? I gave here, right? So this is what it is doing. Ascending means, top means descending. So this is highest salary. Bottom means ascending. So it will give highest salary for the, sorry, it will give the first ranking to the lowest salary.
Yes.
Now it is very simple, right? Instead of writing all this logic, first you are identifying the highest salary by using aggregator. Then you are going ahead and joining with the joiner to get the employee details. Instead of that, you can directly go ahead with the rank transformation. It is making very simple, right? So go to rank transformation. What it will do? First, you have to identify for which group you want the data. In which group you want to identify the metrics. Here, for our requirement, inside the department, we want to identify who are earning the highest salary, right?
Yes.
Means we are making department as a group. Same thing, right? Group by department. That's what we have done in the SQL. Group by department first to identify the highest salary, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then what you're doing in the ranking here? Let me connect my chart. Okay. Just a minute, we'll complete the session. Okay. So here what you did the grouping based on department. You did a grouping based on department, and you are doing ranking based on salary. This is rank checkbox. So here you are ticking this. That means you will do either ascending or descending based on salary. And ascending or descending will be based on top or bottom property. Bottom is nothing but ascending. Top is nothing but descending. Now, if you give 1 means it will fetch only number 1 rank. If you give 2, so what it will do? It will fetch
the next highest also it will take.
Yeah, it will get 2, right? If you give 3, it fetch 3. Okay. So
if we give the complete number of this thing, it will give all the day.
Yeah, so let me give 5, for example, or let's just give. Okay, let's try to see what is happening. Okay.
Yeah.
Now Control S, you have to go and refresh the mapping, right? Refresh the mapping, Control S, and then start the task. Go to monitor, and then check your data got loaded. See, 48 came. Earlier, how many came? 16 came.
16
into 3. Now, for each department, only you are getting highest salary here. Earlier, you are getting only 1 salary for each department.
Yes.
Now, how many you are getting? If you go to the map, 3 you are getting. That's what. So if you go to properties, you are getting 3. Bottom 3. That means who are earning least salaries. Like 3 employees who are earning least salary in a department, right?
Yes.
Those 3 employees are earning least salary in that particular department. So how we can check this? You can run this. Okay. Again, order it by department. Now you got it, right? So for document control, these are the persons who are earning the least salary. The least salary is 56, and the next least salary is 92, and the next least salary is 13,000 for this department, right?
Yeah.
Even if you go and check in the document control, that is what you will get. This is top. This is top, right? Because descending. This is bottom, right? Because for highest salary we gave first rank, right? Bottom, lowest salary. So who are there? 1. This is 3. This is 2. This is what you got. 9,200, 13,000, and then 5,600. If you go here, what you got? 56, 92, 13. That's what you got, right?
Yes.
And this is for the first time load. This is second time load. This is third time load. Clear?
Yeah.
Now you got it, how you have implemented this solution by using rank transformation.
Yeah.
And also this is an alternative way, but this alternative way ended up creating so many things. Instead of doing this, whenever you are getting the requirement to identify the highest salary or top second salary, something like that, you can go for rank transformation. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubts?
Good, sir, so far.